Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. A lot of times people ask me how to make the web search box smaller on Yahoo. And the reason why you might want to do that is so that you can see more of the front page of Yahoo, or maybe you want to make the windows smaller but yet still see the search box so that you can play around with other windows. And that's perfectly fine. So the way to do that, I'm going to show you how to do it in Firefox, but the way to do that in all browsers should be pretty much the same. So as you can see, I have Firefox opened up to yahoo.com, and in order to make the search box smaller, I'd actually have to zoom out the whole page. This way I'll see the whole front page. So in order to do that, just go to View and go to Zoom, and you click on Zoom Out. And as you can see, as I zoom out, it gets smaller. I could also press Command minus or Control minus on the PC to make it even smaller and see more of the page. I'm Omar and I just showed you how to make the Yahoo text search box smaller. Have a good day.